dimension and close packing in two dimension. So in one dimension, the particles are kept arranged as much as closely possible in one layer. Hence the coordination number is 1. So whereas in case of close packing in two dimension, there are the three possible there are two possible arrangement. One is AAA type, another is ABAB type arrangement. So in case of the ABAB type AA type arrangement, it is called as square close packing arrangement, in which each atom remain in contact with four atoms in the same plane around it. Hence their coordination number is 4. Here the coordination number is 4. So this type of arrangement is called as square close packing in two dimensions. And another is ABAB type arrangement. So in two dimensions, this is called as hexagonal close packing in two dimensions. Each atom remain in contact with 6 atoms around it in the same plane. Hence their coordination number is 6. So this is about the close packing in two dimensions. Now to discuss about the close packing in three dimensions. Here there are three types. One is AA type, another is ABAB type, third is ABC type, ABC type. Close packing in three dimensions. Now let us study the A type. The square packed layers are placed one over another such that the spheres of the upper are present over the spheres of exactly above the spheres of the lower layer. If arrangement of first layer is represented as A, that is, this is A. Again, the same arrangement is repeated in the upper layer also called as A. Like that, hence it is called as A type. The resulting lattice would be simple cubic lattice. This is called as A type arrangement. Now here the coordination number is 6. Then the second one is hexagonal. So AB type. In hexagonal close packing arrangement, each sphere remain in contact with 6 spheres of the same layer. Around each spheres are 6 triangular void, that is empty space. Here there is an existence of a triangular empty space. So and this triangular empty space is called as void, marked as 1 2 1 2 1 2 in figures. Spheres of the second layer are placed over the void marked 1 to develop another hexagonal close packed layers. Then the spheres of the third layer are placed exactly above the spheres of the first layer, since the arrangement of every alternate layer is identical as it is said to be AB type arrangement. The resulting unit cell is called hexagonal close packing. Hence its coordination number is 12. So when you arrange AB type the particles, hence their coordination number is said to be 12. Then the third type of arrangement under the three dimensional, that is called as ABC type. In this arrangement, spheres of the first and second layers are arranged in the previous case like this. But the spheres of the third layer are placed above the void marked 2. So like that. So arrangement of spheres of the fourth layer happens to exactly above the spheres of the first layer. Since similar arrangement of spheres repeats after every 2 layers, the arrangement is said to be ABC type. The resulting unit cell would be cubic containing atoms of 8 corners and at the base centers. Hence it is called cubic close packing, that is called as CCP. Simply called as CCP. CCP means cubic close packing arrangement. So or face centered cubic arrangement called FCC. Its coordination number is 12. Now, so you understand that it may be CCP or it may be FCC or it may be HCP. In all these cases, the arrangement is same. Hence, its coordination number is 12. This is about the close packing arrangement of the particles in one dimension, in the two dimension, and in three dimension. Here in one dimension, it is coordination number is 2. In two dimension, it may be 4 or it may be 6. But in case of the three dimension, and its coordination number is 12. This is about the close packing arrangement of the particles. Then, so during arranging the particles as much as possible closely, there is a creation of the void. There is a creation of the empty space, and this empty space is called as void. The voids are of two types. One is the tetrahedral void. One is tetrahedral void, and the second one is octahedral void. I already told you what is meant by void. There may be a question under 1 mark. What is meant by void? Void means during arranging the particles as much as closely possible, there is a creation of the vacant space. Vacant under kali. So vacant space, and this vacant space is called as void. As the void is increases in the solid state, the strength of the solid is decreases. Then, as I already said, there are two types of the voids: tetrahedral void and octahedral void. What is meant by tetrahedral void? So, the vacant space between the three closed packed spheres of one layer and another spheres of the neighboring layer is called tetrahedral void. So, when you arrange such type of arrangement in two dimension or in three dimension, such type of the void is called as the tetrahedral void. So this is called as octahedral void. In closed packed crystals, the vacant space formed between 6 spheres has an octahedral space. So here now when you consider one sphere, it is in contact with the spheres, therefore their coordination number is 6. So when in case of the three dimension, it is 12. So such space it is called as octahedral void. An octahedral void can be considered to be formed by the combination of two tetrahedral void. So when you take the two tetrahedral void, just you can get combined to get the octahedral void. This is about the what the this is about the void.